Hi there.
Hi.
Hello. It's Daniel and Rebecca here from Sussex Campervans with a very important announcement. Today our new book Campervan Life is going live on Kindle, which of course means you can download it onto whatever you're watching this video on and you can be reading and enjoying it today. It's a great book, Rebecca, isn't it?
It certainly is. This is a book specially written for campervanners and those who'd love to have a campervan. It's got so many interesting things in there and you'll love it.
You will. You'll absolutely love it. That's a picture Rebecca painted on the front, actually. She actually painted that all by herself. It's called, what's it called? Summer Sun. Summer Sun. Anyway, the Kindle version is $4.99, but today it's free because we want to get people to download it and read it and give it great reviews. So I hope that you'll give it a good review. You can have it if you download it today. It's not $4.99, it's free. Click the link underneath this video and there's a voucher in the back as well which will let you get the print version at a hefty discount. Use the voucher and we'll post you a copy of the print one as soon as it gets here. This book's awesome. It's free today if you click the link below. Speak to you soon.
Bye.
Cheers. Bye.